Everybody, it's Keith Couch with Rocky Mountain Peterbilts here on YouTube, Rush Truck Centers, Greeley, Colorado. Got a beautiful truck here, painted like a 1931 Auburn Boat Tail car, and those are the colors. It's kind of a two-tone maroon, but if you look up 1931 Auburn Boat Tail, these are the colors. So it's a beautiful truck. This is for Kevin out of New York. Truck's been in the shop for quite a while. Did a lot of upgrades to this. I'm not going to touch them all. Just a gorgeous, gorgeous truck. 605 2050 torque with an 18-speed ultra shift. We also installed the urge to move so that when you take your foot off the brake, it creeps forward just like a true automatic does. So very nice. All the chrome, all the extras on this are Ben at Chrome Country out of Nashville or Smyrna, Tennessee. He's a Rush guy. Did fantastic. Beautiful herd bumper. Just a gorgeous truck. 280-inch wheelbase. 11R 22.5 tires. Literally, if it's an option, it's on this truck. It's got everything. I guess we'll start at the front. Paul did all the work in our shop, so all the work was done right here in Greeley. There's a good look at the front. There we go. Just a beautiful, classic looking truck. Kevin, you're gonna love it. I'm not gonna tip down the herd bumper just to show you the engine. It's a 605 Cummins X15. But got all the lights across the bottom in the herd bumper. Lights on the ends. These headlights, might have to ask Ben which ones these are. Unbelievably bright. We got the watermelon lights in front of the breathers. Air ride steer axle, 13.2 air ride steer axle. Got the down glow lights. And then all the closeouts here are painted to match. And you got a matching frame too. Boot brush. Got the smaller lenses behind the air breathers. That's so the door here clears it. Some extra turn signals. You name it, this truck's got it. There's a lot of work done on the interior as well. Painted the tanks. Iron Mountain Collision out of Loveland did all the paint work. Nathan over there. I think that's a CB booster or a cell booster, that antenna. 78-inch stand-up sleeper. We didn't do the fairings. Got the so interesting deal Kevin did here. We got these lights shine down the side of the trailer, so when you're backing up you can see down the side of the trailer, but if you have to jackknife in somewhere, these lights come on so that you can see the other side of the trailer as it jackknifes. Very interesting. Boy, they are bright. Merit toolbox. Got the Peterbilt half fenders. They're beautiful, beautiful fenders. One thing I want to show you on the hubs here that Kevin did. So the hubs are painted to match, and then he did these billet hub covers. They're fantastic. I wasn't sure if I would like them or not. I absolutely love them. I don't think they're cheap, but they look really good, and then at a glance you can tell if you got oil in there or not. So really like those. Gonna match that back here. Just left that hub out there where you can see it. Most guys cover that up, so I really like that look. The LEDs in the end here. Full lockers on this truck. There's your right there. Holland FW35 fifth wheel. Got an outboard mounted fifth wheel. It's like about a 36-inch slide. Got Michelin. XDM2s, Peterbilt low air leaf suspension. Merit saddle box over here. Painted tank. Painted the def cover to match. That looks really nice with the down glow lights. Master disconnect here. Nice polish there. Kevin wanted the air tank left polished. You can see the nice wiring job that Paul did, wiring up all those lights. Paul does great work. And then we put a dump valve up here on those airbags. So we set that front axle down. 14-inch drop visor with window chops. It's all painted. Even got the window chops on the sleeper. All that's painted to match. Just a gorgeous truck. So this truck, it's not 18,686 on the weight. I don't know why it's not focusing here, but did lots of extra lights. That's a custom CB that Kevin wanted. You got the navigation in this one. Oh, there, it's airing down a little bit. Shut some of these lights off. Custom knobs there. And this is what the shifter looks like for the 18-speed Ultra Shift. Very nice. Very clean. Opens this up in the middle here. Got the cup holder. We got the maximizer. Floor mats. Or minimizer floor mats, I'm sorry. And the back of the sleeper here. Got a fridge, and Kevin did some different lights up on the inside here. I think you can select these. Yes, there's blue and white, or red. And if you put it in the center and open the door, they glow red as well. Same with these lights back here. Looks quick, simple, and easy, but there's a lot of wiring that goes into those. Got a post for his TV. I do like that. Got an extra couple outlets up here. The business center. Just a gorgeous 389 closet. And I believe Kevin's going to get a Thermo King APU. It's also painted to match. And he'll get that done when he gets back to New York. Sure this, yeah, those glow red or blue. So just wanted to share this one with you. Absolutely gorgeous. There's a whole lot more. We got a cell phone booster in there. Added that. That's for that's from the factory. For his e-logs. Just a lot of stuff going on in this truck and a lot of it's kind of under the radar, so to speak. So just thought I would share it with you. And we got a a nice hose there. I think it just pulled out, but I'll get it fixed. So I just thought I'd share this one with you. Beautiful truck. One of the most custom ones I've ever done. Kevin, I hope you like it. I know it's caused quite a stir here. Lots of people wanting to see it, but we kept her locked up so that nobody could get in it. No test drives, no test rides, nothing like that. So 2023 Peterbilt 389 extended hood, and she is gorgeous. So Keith Couch with Rocky Mountain Peterbilt's Rush Truck Center here in Greeley, Colorado. Thank you, Ben. Thank you, Nick Neal from Merit Aluminum Products, and Paul in our shop here for the work you guys did on this one. It's taken a while, but she's finally here, finally done. So thank you, Kevin. Appreciate the business, and look forward to seeing what this looks like here in another 6 months to a year, once you get it all completely dialed in exactly the way you want it. So thanks, everybody. Take care.